Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download third-party apps on a Roku TV. Before we start, there is something very important you need to know. Roku TV does not allow third-party apps to be downloaded directly. Third-party apps are apps that are not available in the Roku channel store. Roku use a closed system, which means you cannot install APK file, download apps, or sideload apps like you can on Fire TV or Android TV. So if you search for a third-party app on Roku and didn't find it, that means Roku does not support it. Nothing is wrong with a Roku TV. This is how Roku is designed. Now let me explain what you can do instead. First, always check the Roku channel store. Go to Roku home screen and select streaming channel and search for the app you want. If the app is available, you can download it normally by clicking add channel. If the app is not available, Roku does not allow installing it directly. However, there are safe alternatives. Open screen mirroring. You can open the third-party app on your phone, tablet, or computer and then mirror your screen to the Roku TV. This allows you to watch the app content on your TV without installing it on Roku. And that's it. Now you know the truth about third-party apps on Roku TV and the best option available. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.